it's often the small little things that trip up a business, or that make a business makes a business very frustrating to be able to operate in the country. And I believe a lot of these issues we are dealing with, and we've sorted out and we've recognized. And obviously, the first step towards fixing something is recognizing it. So I really believe that the strategic roadmap is what we need to be able to take the economy forward and to really make sure that FDI comes in, and that we'll be able to move ahead and grow the local businesses. So this plan is not only to sort out FDI, it's very much also designed to make sure that all our local Eswatini businesses can go from where they are and thrive and grow, and not only become competitive in the country, but become competitive in the region. That's the main objective and ambition of the strategic roadmap, is really to be able to make the economy as a whole, from SMEs through to medium-sized businesses, through to large businesses, through to businesses coming in, that we've looked at it from a holistic point of view, and that one will be able to move the economy forward, because unless this group moves as a whole, you don't have healthy economic growth like we need in this country. I believe we've recognized many of the areas, many of the shortfalls in the economy that need correction. And you'll find that with the strategic plan, a lot of these shortfalls have been recognized, and that there's a clear plan in place to be able to fix these shortfalls, and that these shortfalls can be addressed. And I believe in so doing, one can improve the current situation we have in this country. At the moment, there's a large shadow economy in the country, as we understand, and a lot of the measures we're putting in place is also to be able to address that issue, to bring them into the tax net, and to be able to make sure that we all treated equitably in this country.